Seagull, I just got here. Seagull met me down the street down there, and he walked me up here like a gentleman. That's Julie. Julie just landed here in the yard. This is what happens when I'm late. I'm about like an hour late. Okay, Seagull, I'm gonna see if I can set this down without it stopping recording. I don't know how. Let me see. I kind of want to film this, and I'm making him wait more. Poor Seagull. We'll do that. Okay, Seagull, I'm gonna get the can opener out. We woke up the deer, the fawn are just gonna cross the street behind us. Okay, Seagull. Good morning, Seagull. Good morning. Did you have to wait? No. Good morning. Got the can opener. See if I can get this on film. You're a good bird, Seagull. How have you been? Has your morning been okay so far? How's your morning been? Yeah. I'm gonna drain this, and the ants are gonna get angry. It's probably gonna go on the ant hole right there. You ready, Seagull? This is not the best tuna in the world. It's the cheapest. We got this darkest tuna from Winco. It's yours. It's yours. It's yours, Seagull. You're good. You're just being filmed. Oh, look at that. He took it away from the camera. Julie's making little tiny noises. Is it starting to rain right as I took my phone out of my case, Seagull? He's even, his posture right now, I don't know, like, you can see details pretty good on this phone. His posturing right now, the way his feathers are and everything, says he's kind of irritated or upset that I'm late or something like that. Or he's hungry. It kind of sounds like there's water drops in it. Oh, now he's upset at Julie. Let's see what happens. I'm probably not gonna get it on the phone very much because I'll be kind of a bitch. Seagull, come eat your food. She wasn't anywhere near your food. Come here, Seagull. Seagull, come eat. The way he's walking and everything means he's gonna attack. Seagull, you're fine. And it is, it's starting to rain. It's tiny little drops at a time. Seagull, you gonna have a nice day today? Seagull, we gonna have a nice day? Yeah, he's on the attack. I can hear the other seagulls having problems with that eagle still. Seagull, come eat your food. Come here, Seagull. Why are you being mean? Oh, wait. Oh my god. I didn't see that other bird, Seagull. That was a Julie lookalike. I did not get that on film. I don't think I got that on film, Seagull. She was up on top of the telephone pole. I didn't even see her there, Seagull. Is that what you were upset about? She was another Julie lookalike. He kind of bent her neck back a little bit. Yeah. You're gonna be okay. Seagull! Now he's leaving. Now Julie's coming up. And the rest. It hurt the other one pretty bad because it looked like he bit her neck back. I don't think I got that on film. I think I got part of it at the end. And there's a bunny by the lavender bush. And there's a tweaker, if you can see that white thing right there. He's been here for 2 days and or 2 nights and 2 mornings anyway. Massively just completely tweaking out of his mind at 6 a.m. He looks actually kind of dangerous. Hi, Julie. Julie, you look beautiful today. Are you Miss Princess? Are you my little Miss Princess? You good girl? Did you get enough to eat? That was probably barely anything. That's all I had. Someone's doing alert noises. Can I get a better close-up, Julie? She's beautiful. She's Miss Princess. You little Miss Princess. Miss Princess. There's another bird flying by up there. And Seagull is on the roof at the library, but he's like behind that tree. What you saying, Julie? You waiting for more food? Are you saying, is there more food? That was nothing. How come I don't get anything, Julie says. Nervous. She's all looking at me. Anyway, that's it. They're probably, if I stay here, they'll probably hang out and just stand here looking at me for a bit. Especially Julie. Oh, Julie. You like to just stand here looking at me. Today is Sunday, August 2nd. I should have my food stamps in. I had at least a couple $100 get stolen last month out of my food stamps. That's basically a whole entire month's worth got stolen. I still have not barely, been able to eat much or eat healthy foods. My plan was to start eating healthy foods as soon as I got out of jail, and I'm just not finding those healthy foods available without insane prices at the grocery store. I'm not really sure what the hell I'm supposed to buy that's healthy that you don't need to be housed to eat. So I'm kind of at a loss right now. I feel like I was eating healthier a long time ago, but there was produce that wasn't completely outrageously priced, and there were some vegetables. Like, you could buy broccoli for like $1 a pound. Now it's like $4 a pound, and it just is like $4 for a tiny head of broccoli that does not make you feel like you ate anything. Julie, be nice to the crow. You see how Julie's acting? She's not very nice to the crows lately. Are you, Julie? You need to be nice to the crows. Yeah, you know you need to be nice to the crows. We do have this, which I wasn't planning on opening, but I got like a couple of these. I opened one for Candace yesterday, so Candace got some Lay's potato chips, and they're all gone. I had shared about half of one with Candace alone on the sidewalk, and then I was like, okay, Candace, you want to help be an ambassador? And we're going to go and give this other half bag of chips, which is barely anything at all. It's a really small bag. We're going to go and give it to any other seagulls that'll come up to me on the sand. So I took her down there, and I was like, you're going to be ambassador, Candace. And she kept on, like, lunging at anybody else that was trying to get the chips. She shared very little. She shared a little bit, and she wasn't very violent this time. She really wasn't. She didn't hurt anybody and she didn't flip anybody over or anything like that. But she was not letting others have the chips. So she got most of the bag. So much for being ambassador, Julie. Or maybe that's what an ambassador is. I'd have to look it up. Maybe I used the wrong word. Julie, what's going on? Seeing, where's the food? Where's the food, Mom? Seagull got to have tuna, and I only got the tiny little bits at the end. Where's the food? See if this will loom. Oh, maybe not. Stay there, Julie. I'm gonna experiment here. Man, that ground looks super dirty right there, even though it doesn't show up as bright in real person. Okay, Julie. I guess we'll open the chips. But you gotta work for him. You gotta give me some close-ups. Okay, Julie? Don't bite my hand. Can I get you to take it from my hand where you're on camera? Just wait long enough for you to be on camera. Just hold on. Okay, maybe I need to hold on. Don't, she got my finger. But she doesn't bite. Try again, Julie. Can you do it without getting my finger? Can you show everybody? You are being aggressive nowadays, Julie. No, she's getting aggressive. She's been doing this a little bit too late. Julie, don't bite my finger. You ready? You ready, Julie? You ready? Can you do it without biting my finger? Jeez. Good job. Seagull won't do it, but he's been taught not to. No, you totally got my thumb that time, Julie. Your beak is sharp. Her beak is really sharp. It's a freaking knife. You see that little end on her beak? I don't know if it'll show up really good when we get a close-up. Come here, Julie. Show him a close-up. See how... Oh. Julie. Can we do this a little bit better? Thank you. She has that little twisted end at the end. It's really sharp. And I'm giving you way too big of pieces because look at that. It's all bulked up. Do you need... Yes, see, she's full. Do you need a second to get them down? You got him down? Okay, one more, Julie. One more. We're gonna get this in focus because you were super blurry every time you come up to the camera. That didn't work either. That was kind of big. That's kind of a big piece. I'm gonna try to download this to put on YouTube because I think it'll be a good one. I'm gonna put it on the ground, okay? I'm putting it on the ground. I'm putting it on the ground. I'm putting it on the ground. Julie, can you let me put it on the ground, please? I'm putting it on the ground. Seagull, do you want to come over here? Have some chips? I've got chips, Seagull. You love chips. Julie. I'm putting him on the ground, okay? Wait for a second. Get some good headshots. You're a good girl, Julie. You're such a good girl, Julie. You're such a good girl. That's enough chips, okay? We got enough chips. Come on, just a tiny bit more and that's gonna be it. A little bit more chips. Good job, Julie. We're getting really full. I'm gonna stop, Julie. Your neck is super full and I don't want you to choke. My battery's low. I'm gonna stop because my battery is at like a couple percent. This is what happens when Julie is overeaten. Yeah. The chips were kind of big to get down her throat. This is just an example. We're learning about seagulls today. We learn about seagulls today, Julie. You're gonna help teach us. You're gonna help teach us. She's trying to get him down. They're kind of sharp too, so. You okay, Julie? You gonna be okay? That was a little bit much, huh? A little bit much. Say thank you for watching. Julie says thank you for watching about seagulls. And thank you for educating yourselves about seagull conservation, huh? Let me see what the seagulls want, Julie.